Hey guys, today I'm checking out this electric air duster jar for wearing purposes. I think that it's nice because it comes with two 21 volts lithium batteries. Okay, we have in here the user manual, which is quite nice with all the important information about it, all the accessories, the overview, and how to operate. Okay, we got the battery charger, and as I've said, the two different battery packs. Okay, 21 volts lithium batteries, which I think it's really nice, and the proper unit. Okay, comes in this bag. As you can see, it's quite nice. It has a nice handle. You got a nozzle right here that you can just take out and just like this, which I think that it's really nice. And using it, it's really simple. You just need to take the battery pack and flip it on. Okay. You have a trigger that it's sensitive, so depending on how much air you need, you can use it. And it's quite powerful. It's really nice, so you can take it with you on a kind of trip. If you're gonna go camping, I think that it's a nice option to use it. And well, you can use it to clean your desk area, your kitchen, whatever you need. So let's go ahead and test it out. Come on.
It has a really powerful brushless motor that can run up to a 50,000 RPMs, which I think that it's perfect. It has a really nice air pressure, which I think that it's really nice, and with the long-lasting battery packs you can enjoy an extended cleaning session without any kind of worries about running out of battery or anything like that. It can be perfect for a keyboard cleaning kit, and it can be used on many different situations, like cleaning leaf out of your car, something like that. If you're woodworking, you can clean all the wood chips, and you can even use it as a bonfire starter, so you can keep it running, which I think that it's really nice. It's perfect for taking it with you anywhere that you need it, with its compact size, and overall I think that it's a really must-have tool for any kind of cleaning on your PC, your keyboard, anything that you need. And as you can see, it's so powerful that you can see how the water moves just with the air duster. Depending on the pressure that you place upon the button, it's how strong the wind will be blowing, which I think that it's a perfect function. And as you can see, it's quite powerful and really easy to use.
Overall, I think that it's a really nice air duster. It works perfectly. It's really nice. I like that you got two different battery packs included, which I think that it's great. And overall, I like it a lot, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.